To remove the power switch, first remove the access panel and the main bezel. Detach the power switch connector from the motherboard. Remove any tape securing the power switch to the side wall of the PC. Remove the power switch cable from the cable guide on the side wall of the unit. Squeeze the left side of the power switch to disengage it from the front of the PC, then pull the power switch and its connector out the front of the unit. The power switch housing has a flat tab on its right side that fits into a cutout on the front of the PC. The power switch housing also has a hooked tab on the left side that fits into a cutout on the PC. To replace the power switch, first feed the connector in through its access hole. Align the flat tab of the power switch housing into its cutout, then squeeze and press the left side hooked tab into place. Replace the power switch connector into the cable guide on the side wall of the PC. Secure the connector to the side wall with tape. In systems with a micro ATX board, the tape should be applied to the bulge on the side wall of the chassis. For systems with larger motherboards, loop the cable and tape the looped cable on the side wall above the motherboard and below the cable guide on the side wall. Replace the power switch connector to the motherboard.